Good day everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is absolutely time for another railway adventure. I will go on a trip tomorrow. Tomorrow I will take not only the 49 euro ticket to the maximum, okay, in the meantime it's the 63 euro ticket, but I will do it after a full shift of work. So I organized myself a shift that starts at 5:45 tomorrow, so very early, and when the shift is done I will jump on the train and see how far I can get. If I make it all the way to Dresden, which is in the far east of Germany, maybe even a little further, or not at all, let's see about this. So let's go. I will come back to you when I finish work tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and then let's go on the train. See you soon on the train. Okay, the next day, on my way to work, 4:55, Berg am Leim S-Bahn station. The sun is about to rise. It will be a beautiful day. Let's see how long it will be. Come back to you when work is finished. All right, a full day of work in the books. Now it's time to head to the train. I'm a little early out of work, so there's one other possibility that I can do. I can take the bus to Freising and then go on the train. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's head for the bus stop, let's head for Freising, and then let's head for the train to the northeast. See you, Freising Central Station. I absolutely hate when I have to use this bus. This was so crowded. And when I thought it wouldn't be possible, a woman with 2 kids and a cart entered the frame and went into the bus as well. It was just terrible. Anyway, I'm at Freising. So here at the station, I need track number 4, so let's get it on. Yep, and there are still politicians that say riding a bus is as good as riding a train. I will show them this bus. Okay, RE2 Hof, track number 4, 11 minutes. That works. All right. I showed you this underpass in the end of the line video. So no further explanations. Let's just go up to the platform and wait for the train, which should be here in 10 minutes. This will be nice. Yeah, that's good. Enough time to catch the train, and then it will be easy. It will be only one transfer in Hof and then to Dresden. Wonderful. Thank you very much, Mr. Tobi Kuhn, to get me out of work 30 minutes early. Great. The train will be here soon. Come back to you. All right, here he is. The train that will take me all the way to Hof. A little over 3 hours here from Freising all the way to Hof. Standard double-decker regional train. All right, let's get it on. I always try to sit upstairs. Let's see if there's something available. Nice ride so far. Absolutely. We are on time, on the way to the north. Let's get it on. Landscape-wise, this is a very nice part here right at the banks of the Naab River between Schwandorf and Weiden. That's beautiful. I absolutely like that. Okay. A little over 3 hours on the same train. It was pulled by a electric locomotive until Regensburg, then changed to a diesel locomotive, and now, after 3 hours, we're here in Hof. The connector train is right here. All right, that's pretty handy. It will leave in 3-4 minutes. What a perfect connection. Wonderful. All right. I don't like these colors. However, the train will leave in 3 minutes, and that's what I do like. Multi-function area here, bike rack, all right. Not too bad. So here's one call from the road. This train is comfortable as well, no problems at all. The ride will be, I have about 1.5 hours left until Dresden, then about 15 minutes to walk to the hotel. This will be smooth, and I hope the landscape will stay as beautiful and as green as it was all the way to here. Right now there's a little bit of an industrial site here on the right hand side. We are approaching Zwickau, which is famous for the production of the Trabant. Don't know if you heard about this before. The car of the GDR, the car. This was built here in this area. Alright, I come back to you if I see something nice in the landscape. If not, then I see you back in Dresden. Okay, finally out of the train here at Dresden Mitte station. Yeah, the surrounding from the first blush, this looks pretty good. Here, Dresden Mitte. Now, let's get out of here and find the hotel. It shouldn't be too far away, just a few meters, or I think about 10 minutes, and everything will be good. I'm pretty done. Yeah, it was a very, very long day. Started out of the house at 4:45 in the morning. Now it's 8:30 in the evening. Yeah, that's been a while. But I made it. I reached Dresden in one day after a full day of work. Okay, check. Here's the tram. Yeah, let's see. I think I will walk. But first, let's end this video. Munich to Dresden in one day after a full day of work. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with a mini-series here from Dresden. Until then, have a good time. Goodbye.